It's our job to make sure that every day things are running smoothly. Hi, I'm Caine Martin. I'm the manager of the executive support staff and ITS techs. You could consider us similar to a first responder team. We do it all, including facilitating high-level meetings between executive staff and the more than 5,000 ITS users, ensuring during the meeting someone is on site to prevent and address any technical issues. You can find us rolling up our sleeves and flipping conference rooms to suit specific needs, as well as delivering computing hardware to stockrooms. We really will do it all. If you can think of it, yeah, we've probably done it. And we do it all with a smile. At the end of the day, we can go home happy knowing that we as a team got it done. And I'm privileged to manage that team. Whatever we get asked to do, we all step up knowing we give our best to ITS so that ITS can give its best to New Yorkers.